plus Therapeutics, ticker symbol PSTV, pushing up positivity as it recently completed a Type B meeting with the U.S. FDA to discuss its clinical development plans for Rheobic, rhenium Re-186 obisbemida, in treating leptomeningeal metastases, LM, a severe complication of advanced cancer. The meeting focused on the design of a planned pivotal trial for Rheobic, and the company expects to provide updates and guidance on next steps in early 2026. Plus, Therapeutics also plans to implement amendments to its LM trial based on FDA recommendations to accelerate the clinical development timeline. Leptomeningeal metastases occur in around 5% of metastatic cancer patients, often originating from breast, lung, or melanoma cancers. The prognosis is poor, with a median survival of just 2 to 6 months, and effective treatments are limited. Rheobic is a novel injectable radiotherapy designed to deliver targeted high-dose radiation directly to CNS tumors. It aims to reduce off-target risks and improve outcomes for CNS cancer patients compared to current treatments. Rheobic is being evaluated in clinical trials for recurrent glioblastoma, leptomeningeal metastases, and pediatric brain cancer, including the ReSPECT-GBM, ReSPECT-LM, and ReSPECT-PBC trials. The ReSPECT-LM trial is funded by a $17.6 million grant from the Cancer Prevention and Research Institute of Texas, CPRIT, while the ReSPECT-PBC trial for pediatric brain cancer is supported by a $3 million grant from the U.S. Department of Defense. In addition, Plus Therapeutics, subsidiary CNSide Diagnostics, has secured a national coverage agreement with Humana for its CNSide cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, tumor cell enumeration test, which supports the diagnosis and treatment monitoring of LM. This agreement extends coverage to approximately 16 million people in the U.S., bringing total policy coverage to 67 million. The CNSide test has been shown to have high sensitivity of 92% and specificity of 95%. With over 11,000 tests performed at more than 120 U.S. cancer institutions. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.